5 Best Dropshipping Suppliers in Turkey. Turkey is a global hotspot for e-commerce and trade, offering high-quality products at competitive prices. Its strategic location between Europe and Asia makes it ideal for dropshipping, with fast shipping options to many regions. Whether you're in fashion, home goods, or beauty, partnering with reliable Turkish suppliers can elevate your business. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Turkey to help you grow your online store and boost profits. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Turkey. Whether you're sourcing fashion, electronics, home decor, or specialty items, these suppliers will provide you with quality products, competitive pricing, and reliable shipping options to help you scale your store. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's jump in. At number 5, Turkopt. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Turkopt, a trusted platform for wholesale and dropshipping fashion. What they offer? Turkopt specializes in clothing, including women's wear, menswear, and kids' fashion, all sourced from Turkish manufacturers. Why they're great for dropshipping? They provide low minimum order quantities, making it easy for new dropshippers to start small. Shipping advantage. Turkopt offers international shipping, with fast delivery to Europe and other regions. If you're in the fashion niche, Turkopt is a great platform to source stylish and affordable Turkish clothing. At number 4, Ali Dropship, Turkish suppliers. Coming in at number 4 is Ali Dropship, a global platform with many suppliers based in Turkey. What they offer? Ali Dropship gives you access to a wide variety of products, including fashion, electronics, beauty items, and home goods. Why they're popular? The platform integrates with Shopify and WooCommerce, automating inventory management and order fulfillment. Shipping advantage. Turkish suppliers on Ali Dropship provide faster delivery to Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. If you want automation and a diverse product range, Ali Dropship's Turkish suppliers are an excellent option. At number 3, Trade Turkey. Next up at number 3 is Trade Turkey, a B2B platform connecting international buyers with Turkish manufacturers and wholesalers. What they offer? Trade Turkey features categories like textiles, home decor, fashion, electronics, and industrial products. Why it's great for dropshipping? Their suppliers offer high-quality products at competitive wholesale prices, helping you maximize profits. Shipping advantage. Many suppliers on Trade Turkey specialize in exporting, ensuring smooth and efficient delivery to global markets. If you're looking for a reliable source of Turkish goods at wholesale rates, Trade Turkey is a fantastic choice. At number 2, Istanbul Clothing. Coming in at number 2 is Istanbul Clothing, a platform specializing in Turkish apparel and textiles. What they offer? Istanbul Clothing provides a wide range of fashion products, including casual wear, formal wear, and custom designs. Why they're great for dropshipping? They focus on high-quality, stylish clothing and offer customization options for private labeling. Shipping advantage. With their Turkish location, Istanbul Clothing ensures quick and affordable shipping to Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. If you want to create a standout fashion brand with high-quality Turkish clothing, Istanbul Clothing is the perfect supplier to partner with. At number 1, Modalist, Turkish suppliers. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Modalist, a popular dropshipping platform with access to premium Turkish suppliers. What they offer? Modalist connects you to Turkish suppliers, offering products like fashion, beauty, home decor, and accessories. Why they're the best? With seamless integration to platforms like Shopify and Wix, Modalist makes it easy to automate your dropshipping business. Shipping advantage. Turkish suppliers on Modalist provide reliable and fast shipping to Europe, the Middle East, and beyond. If you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business, Modalist's Turkish suppliers are the ultimate choice for premium products and automation. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Turkey. Let's quickly recap the list. Modalist, Turkish suppliers. Best overall for premium products and automation. Istanbul Clothing. Perfect for stylish, high-quality fashion with private labeling options. Trade Turkey. Great for sourcing diverse Turkish products at wholesale rates. Ali Dropship. Turkish suppliers. Ideal for automation and a wide product range. Turkopt. A reliable platform for affordable and trendy Turkish fashion. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.